just work on your freehand skills, then you're not so reliant on every little jig and fancy thing you get on the internet. We marked this and then we forgot to router it yesterday when we were here, so now we had to haul this door back outside. But anyway, this is for the I'm mortising in the latch plate, and here we go. We mark it out. So I cut near the line. You see the line. So now I could fine tune. And I know all you internet haters are going to tell me that there's jigs for this and blah, blah, blah. But you know what? I don't really care. This works just fine. Let's see how I did. Perfect.